Hey, what's up guys, and the unthinkable has happened. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is completely leaked. This is the live hands-on look of the phone. It's been a while since I've seen a proper live hands-on leak of a Samsung flagship phone. I never expected the Galaxy Fold 2 to get leaked like this because Samsung is so protective of its Galaxy Fold lineup. If you guys remember, we never saw any live leak of the original Galaxy Fold model until it was shown officially. So seeing this right now is pretty crazy. Now we'll start off with the front of the phone. You can see that it's definitely not gonna be that bezel-less like the Galaxy S11. We do have thicker bezels, but in my opinion, it's not too bad. Obviously, it's a completely different kind of beast. It's got a very long 6.9-inch display with a punch hole towards the middle. It's got the clamshell foldable design, so you can fold it like a wallet. As you can see, it is in this bend position. Interestingly, you have two earpieces up front. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. And the reason we have two earpieces is because you'll be able to attend the call when it's folded. Here's the look of the phone when it's almost completely folded. There's a USB Type-C port, the speaker at the bottom. I have to say, it looks really classy. Look at how small it can get, and you can see in the reflection that this is indeed a real photo of, someone taking the picture. And interestingly, when it's completely folded, we have a secondary display outside that shows the time and some other information. And then we have a dual camera with LED flash. Now, looking at the camera setup, it's definitely not the same camera as the Galaxy S11 family. It's pretty small. It could be a wide angle and ultra wide angle lens combination. We don't know about the specs, but we did hear that the Galaxy Fold 2 will use Galaxy S11's main camera. But looking at this, I don't think that's the case. Maybe Samsung has another version of this, a high-end version of this model prepared for next year that will have those specs, but this particular model doesn't seem to have that kind of power with the camera. If you look at the UI, it's obviously running the One UI 2.0, and it's pretty much the same design that Samsung showed off at their developer conference. It's real, and looking at all of this, I can definitely say that Samsung is bringing the Galaxy Fold 2nd generation with the S11 at the Unpacked 2020 event. Now, the best part about the clamshell Galaxy Fold 2 is that it's gonna cost really less compared to the original Fold, so it's set to cost less than $1,000, which makes this a more of a budget version, and it also makes sense for it not to have the same specs as the S11 family. Like I said, Samsung might still have the flagship version of this particular design prepared as well, but yeah, this is the Galaxy Fold 2 in its full-fledged live hands-on look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this. Are you even interested in something like this? Drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.